Okay, today we're working with clipping masks. Clipping masks are a great little tool to be able to use to put one image on top of another image and effectively wrap it around that second image. So let's take a look and see how to do that. In the clipping mask sampler before.psd that's included with this lecture, I've got several different groups of layers over in my layers panel. I have clipping masks for the cloud, clipping masks for the moon, and then in a later movie, we'll take a look at how to paint on that clipping mask. But for now, go ahead and select Cloud Clipping Mask. Twirl open the folder, and you'll see that you have a layer called Sky and a layer called Clouds. The Clouds layer is up here where the text is. The Sky layer has been hidden, so I'm just going to turn on that hidden layer by clicking the eye symbol, and you can see that I've got some clouds up there. What I want to do is to take that clouds layer, that sky, and crimp it around the text, lay it on top of it. So here's a way to do that. If you come to the clouds layer and right-click on it, you'll have a pop-up menu that you can go down to and choose Create Clipping Mask. Click on Create Clipping Mask, and you'll notice how your layer now looks like it's been put right on top of the text. That's pretty cool stuff. Another neat feature that I like about this is that you can change to the Move tool. I'm going to hit the letter V on my keyboard. It's a keyboard shortcut. It's going to take me to my Move tool. Then I'm going to keep that sky layer activated, click out where that image is, and I can drag that around on my screen to get the best effect that I possibly can for my image. So that was the first one. Let's practice that technique again. Twirl closed the cloud clipping mask and twirl open the moon clipping mask. Again, here's an image instead of text this time called moon. And I've already created a gradient that we're going to clip down on top of the moon. So reveal that, turn the eyeball on for this layer, and you'll see the moon gradient. And right-click, Create Clipping Mask. Now you can see the gradient has been applied to my moon. Still inside your Move tool, click and drag your gradient until it looks good to you. One final thing. There's a shortcut to be able to access that clipping mask. If you hold down the Alt key and hover over the line between two different layers, you'll see this new image pop up, this new cursor of the double circle. That will also allow you to access that clipping tool. If I click once, it removes it. If I click one more time, it puts it back on. So again, holding down the Alt key and hovering over the line between those two layers is a great shortcut to get to know.